Hi everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. This is your girl Fabiola. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Haitian black rice, guys. We call it Diri Djon Djon. That's one of my favorite rice, guys, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make it, guys. It's really good, guys. You can eat it with anything, guys. I'm gonna go step by step. I'm gonna show you guys how to make it my way. Please, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. Alright, guys, that's everything we're gonna need to make the black rice. I have my rice right here. It's in the container. I always do that. And I have some gravy, guys, because I baked some oxtail. I got some of the gravy. I'm gonna put in the rice too and make the rice taste better. And I have some gloves and I have some oil. And the best thing we're gonna need is the Maggi Djondjon. I have 3 Maggi Djondjon. I have some water and I'm gonna cook it with some baby Lima beans. Let me show you guys. And we're gonna need some coconut water and we're gonna need some Maggi. I have some Maggi cube, and if you guys got any kind of Maggi I can put, I'm gonna use this instead. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna start with you. I'm gonna open the oven and I'm gonna let the pan heat, and when it's heat I'm gonna like show you guys step by step how to make it. And I forgot to mention, that's one of my favorite Asian rice, guys. Guys, the oil is hot. What I'm gonna do, I have my Asian épices. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna put some of the Haitian épices, and I'm just gonna. And what I'm gonna do, guys, I have my beans. I was a frozen beans. Let me show you guys the Lima beans. I'm gonna put some of the beans. Alright, guys, I'm sorry, my kid is crying. And I put some of the beans. It's 24 ounces. I didn't put all of it. Let me show you guys how much I put. I'm not making that much rice. It's only me, my husband, and 3 kids. I don't have to put that much. And guys, what you need to do, guys, when you just put the beans, you're gonna put a little bit of water, guys, on the beans. You do that because the bean is not cooked like the canned bean already cooked. You don't have to do that, but when you have a frozen beans, it's not cooked. You have to put a little bit of water to boil before you start to put all the seasoning. What I'm doing now, guys, I'm gonna try to put some water. I already have my water there, guys. I'm gonna put like, you don't have to put that much water. You just put a little bit of the water for the beans to cook, because you don't want the rice, when the rice cook and the beans will not cook well all the way, guys. Alright, I put a little bit of water. Now I'm gonna cover it. After like, let me see, like for 7 to 10 minutes, we're gonna let the beans boil first, and after that I'm gonna show you guys how it look like. Alright, guys, the water is done on the beans. Now what I'm gonna do, you see, when you do it like that, so the beans can cook all the way. And I'm gonna get a little bit of the Asian spice again, guys. I'm just gonna fry it with the beans. And I have my Maggi Djondjon, guys, and I'm gonna put 3 cubes. I'm sure I'm just gonna add it on the beans. I'm gonna show you guys. And after you do that, you're gonna put a little bit of water because it's kind of hard, so it can be melted. I'm gonna get a little. I have my water right next to me. I'm gonna put a little bit of water. I'm just gonna do that. And I have my Creolito Maggi cube. I have 2. I'm gonna put 2 on it. And I have another one. Good. Alright, guys. You have to make sure the Maggi Djondjon, it has to be melted all the way. I'm gonna put a little bit of water again. I'm gonna leave it like for 2 minutes until it's melted all the way. Guys, now I have my coconut milk. Let me show you guys. I have the Madame Gogos. I have to separate my people, and I'm gonna put the coconut water on the beans. It's kind of hot. Alright, guys. And again, remember what I told you guys, the gravy, the sauce I took from the oxtail I'm baking. There was too much sauce. I took some of the sauce and I'm gonna add it in the rice. When you do that, guys, you add more flavor in your rice. And I have water. I'm gonna add about 2 cups of water, guys. Let me show you guys. 2 cups of water. I don't need that much. That's enough. And now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna wait for it to be boiled. And when it's boiled, I'm gonna wash my rice and I'm gonna add my rice to it, guys. Guys, my water is boiling now, and I have about 4.5 cups. Let me show you guys. I have 2.5 of those, that one of each of those got 2 cups, and I have 2 of this and a half of it. Now what I'm gonna do, I already washed my rice 2 times. Now I'm gonna do, guys, I'm just gonna get my rice. I'm gonna put it in the pan. You can use your hand if you want. And remember, guys, when it comes to the Maggi Djondjon, I think you can add more if you want. If you want your rice to be so black, you can add more, but I only use 3. But if you don't want it to be that dark too, you don't have to. Now I'm gonna put my rice. Yes, I'm gonna add the rest. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get my big Haitian spoon. I'm just gonna do that. And what you're gonna do, guys, now you can taste it to see if you need some more salt. Let me taste it. Yeah, we're gonna need a little bit of salt. I have my Creole season. I'm gonna put a little bit of it. And remember, guys, you don't have to put that much salt on your food, because salt is not that good for us, guys. And I'm just gonna do that again, because before you let it boil all day, you have to make sure it's seasoned real good. You have to make sure the salt, everything is perfect. Let me taste it again, guys. Yep. And remember what I told you guys, I give you guys a secret. When Asian fried chicken, we always boil it first before we fry it. And what I usually do when I'm making my rice, the water that I cook the chicken all the season, I just put it on my rice. That's make the rice taste better, guys, in my opinion. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna let it boil for, like, let's say, I'm not gonna say a time I'm gonna let it boil. I'm gonna just watch it. You have to keep watching it, guys, when it's boiled, so you don't get burned. I'm gonna let it boil, and when the water finish all the way, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do next. Alright, guys, the water is done. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna get half all the whole stick butter. I'm gonna put on my rice. And I'm just gonna do it there. Okay, the rice looks so good, guys. And lady, we used to use plastic bag, but they say plastic bag give people cancer. I'm not gonna use plastic bag. I have my salt pepper. Show you guys. I'm gonna put some. I have to make sure the butter. Make sure guys the butter is all the way. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, if you guys want, some people they put shrimp, they put crab. You can put anything in your rice if you want, but I wanted to do it simple today. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I already show you guys. I'm just gonna cover my rice, and let's say I'm gonna put it on low, not on low. I'm gonna put it, like, you see when it's like high to low, I'm gonna put it in the middle to let the rice cook, because you don't want to put it high. If you put it high, the rice gonna burn and the rice not even cook. But you're gonna put it on the low, and I'm gonna let the rice stay like that for 15 to 20 minutes. And after 15 to 20 minutes, guys, I will check and I will show you guys again. Let it cook. Let me show you guys how to cover it, so you guys can cover it properly. Be careful when you are doing it, because it's really hot. And I have my top. I'm gonna leave it like that, guys, for 15 to 20 minutes. And after 15 to 20 minutes, I will check it and I will show you guys how it look like. Thank you, guys. I'm done with the rice. After I leave it for 20 minutes, guys. I told you guys I was gonna leave it for 20 minutes, but instead of 20 minutes, guys, I leave it for 30 minutes, guys. And I'm showing you guys the rice tastes so good, guys. So good. And guys, in the beginning I told you guys coconut water. It's not coconut water, guys. I made a mistake. I made coconut milk, guys, and you guys get the coconut milk to put in your rice, guys. It's gonna make it taste so good, guys. Thank you so much. Look at the rice, guys. It looks so good. I'm gonna put it in a plate, and after that I will show you guys how it look like. Okay. Alright guys, I'm done with the rice, guys, and I just put it on the plate. I'm gonna eat it with some oxtail. I didn't show you guys, I didn't put the oxtail because I'm trying to focus more on the rice. But if you guys want to know how to make some good oxtail, guys, kbev, just hit me up, comment under the video and I will show you guys how to make it. Thank you so much again, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. Thank you so much. God bless you all.